Hi, I am Sean and I'm going to be doing this delivery farm truck. Wow, look at all the surprises. So let's see what's in the first surprise. Ooh, it's driving everywhere. Right, so the first surprise egg is an orange surprise egg. So what do we have? We have a dinosaur pteranodon, I think it's called. So that is the dinosaur. What else do we have? We have a squinky. Squink, squink. So we have a squinky. He's falling about. And we also have a baby. And I don't really know what this baby is from, but yeah, it's a pretty cool baby. So now we are opening this yellow one, this blue one I mean, getting mixed up with my colours. Oh, we have a Lego guy. So he's a pretty cool Lego man. Oh, let's stand him up. That's him. Okay, so we're going to stand him up. Then we have a pony. That's a nice glittery pony right there. We also have a pink surprise egg that has a Compsognathus dinosaur Playmobil. So that's a Playmobil dinosaur. And we have a Shopkin ice cube. And a Shopkin wild carrot, I think they're called. So that's that. And we also have thank you truck, you can drive away now. And now we have this yellow one, which seems pretty hard to open. And it looks like something's peeking through. So I'll just get this opened. Whoa, this is really hard to get opened. There we go. So we have a Lego Prison Man. He is pretty cool, another Lego man. And we have an Ankylosaurus. He was the one that was breaking it. As we can see, it is cracked. So here is an Ankylosaurus. Oh, and what's this? Beep, beep. Hello. We've got another egg. Whoa, look at all the surprises. So we have a Lego soldier. He's pretty cool. So there he is, right up at the front. Yes, sir. Then we have a trash pack lunchbox, because I couldn't find any grocery gangs. So there's that is, and a Pidgey Pokemon figure. So he's pretty small and cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and give a like for this little Lego man. Hello, bye.